Hi guys, today we're going to show you the rubber inserts for the cup holders in a Lexus GX550. The way it works is you simply put it inside your cup holders, push it in all the way, and now you have additional protection for your cup holders. Besides that, if you spill something inside, you will be able to easily pull it out and wash it, which is great in my opinion, very easy to use. And as for the cups themselves, they still fit perfectly. So this type of cup, and we have a bottle which will fit as well. Besides that, it will also absorb some rattling noise if you have it. If your cup is loose in your cup holder, this again will help with reducing the noise. Again, very great addition to the vehicle. It's cheap, it's simple to use. If you guys like this one, we will leave you a link in the description.